Alright YouTube, we're back from Home Depot. Got some stuff to install the lights later. Still clearly not dry. I think it's going to take quite a while to dry today, considering it's raining out, so it's pretty nasty out. But we can still install the garage door opener, so we're going to do that.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
So I've got this Chamberlain side mount garage door opener, so it actually controls the garage door by screwing that thing right there. So actually twist that instead of having like the big chain and all that stuff. So this will free up all this space, which is kind of cool. So if you notice, there's nothing in the middle of the garage now, which is pretty awesome. I like that a lot. So hopefully this isn't going to be too difficult. I've kind of been reading the instructions. It's marginally complex, so we'll see. Hopefully I don't have too much of a problem. All right, so basically we've got this collar right here that's going to be bolted onto that guy. So what we're going to do is we're going to slip that on and then tighten it down and then mount it to the wall. And then theoretically, you got to just kind of bolt up all that stuff and all these other parts.
That is a lot of extra cord.
Yeah. Gabe trained me, so now I can like hands-free work on things. So I've got, this is a deadbolt basically. It's an automatic deadbolt. Pretty, yeah, so you can see. That's pretty amazing. So now we gotta do the garage door thingy. Garage door thingy. That's the official term for this thing. Connect the correct wires. There's the red one. Cool. Probably want it about here. Kind of aligned with that, just to get the hole for the wall anchor.
Tight. Like a tiger.
It's tight. Tight like a tiger.
Yes, you are tight like a tiger. Would you like a schmuck and a pancake?
Yeah, it's really just how minimalist and perfectionist do you want to be, but there's nothing wrong with a few wires.
Yeah, we'll get it to be pretty darn good.
Yep.
Some newfangled safety shit. My old door did not have one of these.
It doesn't accidentally fall or something?
This is like, it checks the tension on the cable.
Okay.
So I guess it goes like that.
More cables.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. In case power goes out.
Yep.
Sweet.
This is the day of wiring annoyance.
Mm-hmm.
They just
provided way too much.
They really did. Like, you don't need all this wire. Alright, let's turn the breaker.
Oh, I felt that.
Ooh. Okay, now we can actually set the thing up.
Alright.
I need to get the app. MyQ app. Let's try it. Yeah, it's got an app. There's an app for that. Did you know that?
I don't think we've gotten this angle before.
What? Oh. Garage door opener with Wi-Fi, wall installed. This is what you need. Access to your garage door opener, strong Wi-Fi signature, your Wi-Fi password, enable location services. Okay. Alright, press and hold the learn button under the front. Wait, I think it's on the remote. Learn. Okay, it says
nice.
Push and hold for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, it's already blinking. Okay.
Okay.
Next. I did not hear a beep. Didn't hear a beep.
Didn't work.
Okay. Unplug and re-plug it. Okay.
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 That's blinking.
Pull up the case from the bottom. Find the yellow learn button. Okay. Press and release this button 3 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3. There. Ah! Now it's blinking. Okay, next. You should have heard a beep. Yes. Ooh, discovered it. Select the Wi-Fi password. It's connecting to my network. I hear a series of beeps.
You should, it says?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hear a series of barks. Oop. Beep.
One beep.
Ooh. Oh.
It's good.
Okay. Another bunch of beeps, and then oh, look, we got a solid green. I don't know if that
Nice.
matters. Let's name your garage door. How about
Oh,
garage door? Normal guy garage.
yes. There you go.
Yeah, it's gotta do that.
Of course, if someone hacks into it, they're gonna know exactly which one the Ferrari's in.
Next. True. Are you a Prime member? Oh, they have where you can like have them drop off packages in your garage.
And open it themselves?
It's kind of creepy.
I doubt you want other people opening your garage.
Not so much.
No.
Not this garage.
Nope. I would opt into that later if you want. Skip that step.
Only thing I could think of is wonder if it like lets it so the garage door only goes open a little.
Just enough for them to crawl under.
Yeah, well, I mean, then they're trapped.
I mean, yeah, it would be handy. I guess you could try it, but I don't know.
Okay, well, whatever. I'm gonna link it. Oh, select your address. It didn't even work. Oh, I have to get the app.
It's gonna have you connect to Facebook, Instagram. Tell your friends when you're opening your garage.
Yeah. Oh, I just entered my password. I did all of that, and I have to now set it up again.
Too fancy.
Let's try this again.
Oh my
Hold the
goodness.
learn button.
Round two.
Let's try it again.
It goes up higher than that, right? A little bit?
That's pretty much
No? That's it? There you go. Nice.
It's supposed to be easy. Why is the technology not working?
Over half an hour later, we cannot figure this out. Pretty slow, right?
Why is it going so slow? It was going fast earlier.
Seems pretty weak. What happened? Going faster?
I'm trying to get it programmed. Okay. I think I'm getting it programmed. At least the door.
It's going a little faster, I feel like.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good sign.
If you say so.
Do
That's why you need the light.
I guess. Let's try it.
That does not seem like a critical piece.
I know, right? I wonder if we hit the light button if it'll turn on the light. Oh, what are you doing?
Okay. That's good. It's the least it could do.
There's no blinking lights on it, so let's try the app again.
Okay.
Got a little further this time. If this is because it doesn't work without the light, I'm gonna be really
That's so
That's the
stupid.
stupidest thing I've ever heard in my life. The light makes all the difference. Oh, let's name it.
For the 5th time, give it a name.
It says device setup complete. The last time I hit X and then it like lost
Okay,
it. So,
so-
I'm gonna do the I'm a Prime member.
Is it the only option? Just
Yeah, there's no
take
like.
it to Amazon? Wow. Terrible user experience.
I don't understand what the hell that's going on. It's the stupidest thing. This like won't go into learn mode at all.
Whoa.
That one works. Oh shit, what is going on? This is the stupidest thing I've ever seen in my life. Device management. Hubs. Normal guy garage. Select hub to complete setup. Okay. I have my hub. It says add new. It's a garage door opener. It's the stupidest shit ever. I'm about ready to like just rip it off the wall.
It's horrendous. It's taking longer to just connect the app than it is to set up all the hardware. It did.
At least I got a remote.
Well, what just happened? Why didn't it work before? The wind was blowing in the wrong direction before.
Apparently.
Okay, so that opened
I
it.
should probably test my little light sensor thing.
True.
Works.
Yep, that's good.
I should blink.
Why?
So that's garage doors. When you trip that sensor, they blink
Okay.
the light to let you know if something tripped the sensor.
Okay. It's good to know.
Yep. Okay. That worked. Okay, let's try this again. This is the most frustrating thing ever. I'm gonna kill
You
someone.
need Amazon key to locate the garage door, but in order to get Amazon key, you need to locate a garage door.
This is the
Catch-22 here.
stupidest thing ever. Every time I do this, nothing happens over there. You push the learn button. Do not hear a beep. Okay, we need to get it to a beeps. Why won't it beep when I push that button?
We're hearing a beep, but
I'm just
it,
gonna say yes.
yeah, just you. Nope.
God damn it. So
What?
now it's turning on and off the light.
I'm so confused. I have no idea what's talking to what. Hey, sorry.
No, you're okay.
Pretty poorly, actually. It's been about an hour, and we got the hardware up, but we can't get the app talking to the garage.
Oh, so it's a tech fail.
It's a major tech conundrum here.
Do they have customer service?
I looked, and they are closed today.
Oh, of course, Sunday.
Yeah. Yep.
2,000 years later.
Holy crap, I finally figured it out. Okay, so check it out. Turns out that those things can only be associated to one account. And what happened was when I first tried to add it and it failed that one time because of the Amazon key bullshit, that thought it was added to an account, but then it didn't. And so then I had to remove everything, reset that. So the way to reset it was there's this button, hold on, right here. This button right here, you had to push and hold for like 8 seconds, 3 times in a row. It reset everything. Then I was able to add it. Even more interesting is then I had to actually manually sync the light and the control and all that stuff. The cool thing is now, oh my God, people won't leave me alone. Check this out. I can turn on and off the light. Huh? There. And I can open the garage using my phone. That is super, super cool. When you shut the garage, it beeps for quite a while and then shuts the garage. So, all right, it says it's now open. Look at that, normal guy garage, open. Ready? Closing. And there it goes. That's pretty cool, huh? Finally! Okay, now I'm actually content with this stupid thing. Well, I was gonna install the lights, but I seem to have run out of time, so we'll do that in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing. You know, we have lots of car stuff coming your way. We're obviously gonna keep working on this garage. We're gonna get going on that very soon. You're gonna wanna stay tuned. It's gonna be sweet.